December 13, Huwebes, magandang umaga po. Mula sa Bakbakang Pacquiao Marquez, Bakbakang Pro at Anti-RH naman. At matapos ang second round o second reading, lusot ang Reproductive Health Bill.
Madaling araw natapos ang nominal voting kung saan isa-isang inihayag ng mga kongresista ang kanilang boto kasabay ng kanilang paliwanag. Lamang ang mga pro-RH sa botong 113-104. Pero hindi pa tapos ang laban dahil kailangan pa itong pumasa sa third reading, gayon din sa Senado. May news to go si Oscar Oida.
Maagang napuno ang gallery ng mga tao nakadamit na kulay pula at ube. Animo yung mga tagahanga ng dalawang koponang nagbabanggaan sa isang championship game. At dahil mainit ang labanan, minsan umaabot pa nga sa kantsawan.
Mr. Speaker, I didn't know that there were many snakes in the House of Representatives. I'm hearing a lot of hisses behind me.
Maagang lumamang sa boto ang yes to RH bill.
I am voting yes.
Ang sagot ko po ay yes na yes.
Hanggang sa dumating na ang pambato ng no. Walang iba kundi ang pambansang kamao.
Mga kababayan ko, in the dying seconds of the sixth round of my fight against Marquez, a single punch knocked me out. For more than 2 minutes, I was lying unconscious, motionless. My wife cried. Members of Team Pacquiao cried. My friends and fans cried when they saw that I was not moving at all. Some thought I was dead. Buong akala nila isang buhay na naman ang nawala. What happened in Vegas strengthened my already firm belief of the sanctity of life. Ang nangyari sa Las Vegas ay lalong nagpaigting sa aking paniniwala na ang buhay ay sagrado. Kung dapat o hindi na ang nilalang ay mabuhay sa mundo o hindi kailangan dapat ilagay sa kamay ng kanyang kapwa-tao. Tanging ang Diyos ang may karapatan dito. Kaya Manny Pacquiao is pro-life. Manny Pacquiao is votes no to House Bill number 4244.
Dito na nagsunod-sunod ang botong no. May mga naging madamdamin.
This bill directly assaults the Catholic Church.
Yung iba naman, animoy nananalangin.
I believe in Jesus Christ. I believe in God, the Holy Father, Almighty, Creator of heaven and earth, the resurrection of the body, and life everlasting. Amen.
Umabot sa puntong dikit na ang laban. At sa huli,
on the manner of House Bill 4244, affirmative 113, negative 104, abstention 3. House Bill 4244 is approved on second reading.
Mr. Speaker, I move to adjourn.
Finally, yung mga mambabatas have voted in accord with the wishes of their constituents for the enactment of this bill.
The vote is closed. The others who are not here will see that they can afford to really vote on their conscience and reverse the tide because there are 50 who are absent. May pag-asa pa.
Oscar Oida, GMA News.